Tonight you are allowed to stop holding yourself together. You have carried enough for one day. You have thought enough. You have tried enough. Now you rest. As your body lies still, let the world outside fade into the distance. The room around you becomes quieter and your awareness gently turns inward. Nothing is expected of you now. Nothing needs to be solved. Take a slow, comfortable breath in. And let it leave your body without effort. Again, a gentle inhale. And a longer, softer exhale. With every breath out, your body sinks deeper into rest. Muscles loosen. Nerves soften. You are not falling asleep yet. You are simply arriving. Feel the surface beneath you supporting your entire body. Notice how you do not need to hold yourself up. You are already supported. Allow your feet to relax completely. There is no need to move them. No need to adjust. Relax your calves, your knees, your thighs. Let gravity do the work for you. Your hips soften. Your lower back releases. Any tension stored there quietly melts away. Your abdomen rises and falls gently with your breath. There is nothing to control. Nothing to change. Bring your attention to your chest. Feel it gently lifting and falling. Your heart does not need instructions. It knows how to slow when it feels safe. And right now you are safe. Allow your shoulders to drop away from your ears. Let them become heavy, loose. Your arms rest comfortably by your sides. Your hands open slightly. Fingers relaxed. There is no holding, no gripping. Now bring awareness to your neck, your jaw, your face. Let your tongue rest softly. Smooth the space between your eyebrows. Let your forehead become wide and calm. Your eyes remain gently closed, and behind them your mind begins to drift. Thoughts may still appear. That's okay. You don't need to follow them. You don't need to push them away. Just let them pass like leaves floating on slow-moving water. Now imagine a soft, steady warmth forming deep inside your body. It is not light. It is not energy you need to visualize clearly. It is simply a feeling of comfort, subtle, quiet, intelligent. This warmth begins at your center and spreads slowly outward. It moves through your chest, through your back, through your shoulders. Wherever it flows, tension dissolves. Wherever it rests, balance returns. You do not guide this warmth. You trust it. The warmth drifts downward now, into your stomach, your lower back, your hips, old strain releases, stored stress softens. Your body has been holding stories. Tonight, let them go. The warmth continues into your legs, your knees, your calves, your feet. Your entire body is now wrapped in deep comfort. Nothing feels rushed. Nothing feels forced. Now imagine your body resting in a vast, quiet inner space. A space without time, without pressure, without expectation. In this space, your body remembers how to repair itself without effort, without direction, without thought. Systems rebalance. Rhythms return to harmony. Your body does what it has always known how to do. As your conscious mind softens, allow these words to gently reach your subconscious. You do not need to repeat them. Simply let them pass through you. I allow my body to heal naturally. I release all resistance to rest. My mind is calm and quiet. My body restores itself while I sleep. I trust the wisdom within me. Every breath supports renewal. My nervous system relaxes completely. I am safe to let go. Healing happens effortlessly now. My body remembers balance. I release today with ease. I welcome deep, peaceful sleep. Rest is restoring me. I am supported from within. I wake renewed and refreshed. Let the words fade now. You do not need to listen anymore. Your subconscious continues the process quietly, efficiently, perfectly. If thoughts appear, allow them to dissolve into the background. Return to the feeling of warmth, the feeling of safety, the feeling of being held. Sleep comes closer now. Your breathing deepens. Your body grows heavier. Your awareness gently drifts. There is nothing left to do. Nothing left to hear. Healing continues through the night. Restoration unfolds naturally. And when morning comes, you will awaken gently, clearer, lighter, more whole.